Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for healthy cauliflower rice. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now we take our cauliflower and we break it into florets, and then we're going to drop it into a food processor. Now if you don't have a food processor, just a box grater will do, and then grate it down. So just pulse that through until it's all broken up just into fine pieces like it's rice size. Now we'll take it off and we'll pop it onto a baking tray that's been lined with greaseproof paper, and we'll just spread it out evenly across the board. Now we're going to season it with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Now we'll spray it with some low calorie cooking oil, and we'll take it over to a preheated oven. The oven's been preheated to 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan, and we'll pop it in and we'll let it cook for about 15 minutes just until it starts to char. So as you can see, our cauliflower rice is nice and browned on the outside. The edges of it are charred. We'll just pop it to the side and we'll let it cool down. So now we're over to our cooker, and we'll take a frying pan, and to that we're going to spray some low calorie cooking oil. Then we'll pop on some eggs and we'll just let them scramble for 2 to 3 minutes until they're fully scrambled. Now folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. Now that our eggs are ready, we're just going to take them off and put them into another bowl. And we'll take the frying pan, and to that we're going to add some butter. Then we're going to add some diced carrots, some sliced onion. Give those a stir around and we'll cook them for 2 to 3 minutes just until the onion starts to soften. Now we're going to season that there with some black pepper and some crushed garlic. Then we'll add some frozen peas. We'll just give them a stir around and we'll cook them for 2 to 3 minutes just until the peas defrost. So now that our peas are defrosted, we're just going to add our cauliflower rice. So we take the roasted cauliflower from earlier and we just scrape it into the frying pan. Next to that we're going to add some soy sauce. I use low sodium soy sauce, but you can use whichever you have. Then we're going to add the egg from earlier on. Now we'll just mix this all through, make sure that the egg's all round and the soy sauce is incorporated in. So now that our cauliflower's warmed again and our egg is all mixed in, we're going to add a little bit of sesame oil and some green onions that have been sliced, or scallions, then some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. We'll give that a stir around just to let the green onions warm up, and now it's time to serve our cauliflower rice. So now we'll just pop this into a bowl. This can be eaten on its own or it can be used in accompaniment for Chinese dishes. I like to serve mine with some salt and pepper chicken. Now folks, again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.